Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the AGARO Rotary hammer drill machine. The model number for this particular hammer drill is HD5271 and item number is 33545. This particular hammer drill machine comes with a 1-year warranty. I'll quickly take a look around the box to see if we can find some specifications. There you go. There are some specifications mentioned. The color is orange. Quantity, there are 5 components inside, and that is more or less it. We have some manufacturer information. I will open this box and show you what's inside. And there you go. This is what the AGARO Rotary hammer drill machine comes in. This particular box. This is a shock-proof box. It has AGARO written over it. And yeah, it's a pretty solid box. I will open this and show you everything that's inside. So this is it. This is what you'll find inside the box. Let me take you through each of these components. First up, okay, this is ignore this. First up, we have this is a handling instruction for the AGARO hammer drill, the industrial grade hammer. Durable, convenient and multifunctional. It says read through carefully and understand these instructions before use professional power tools. This is a professional tool, so you should read and understand all these diagrams before you move ahead. There's a lot of information here, safety rules, operating instructions, also a lot of technical data. What else is here? There's also a warranty card right over here. So yeah, it's an important document. You should read this as many times as possible. Now let's take a look at the components. This is a depth gauge, a metallic depth gauge. Next up we have this. This is the drill chuck basically. This is I will tell you what it is actually called. This is called the STS Plus Quick Change Drill Chuck. There you go. This is the part that will attach to the front of the hammer drill over here. I'll show you how it's done. And what else do we have? We have a lot of components in this particular cartridge over here. Let me just pull it. So here we go. These are the drill bits. There are 3 different drill bits here. So yeah, 3 different drill bits of 3 different width. If you can get a closer look, there you go. The 3 different drill bits of 3 different grips. They come greased as well, so handle them carefully. Don't grease your hands. I'll put them back in for now. This is a drill adapter. So the drill adapter is supposed to go inside the drill chuck and attach itself there. I will need a screwdriver to operate this. This is, after all, a heavy tool. This is the HD5271. There you go. This is what it looks like. This is quite large. It also weighs around 3 kilos to be very fair. And it also comes with this auxiliary grip over here that you can slide to the side as well and then tighten it according to your convenience, of course. And there is a safety button over here. By the way, this is all very well greased, so make sure you wash your hands after using it. Okay, there's also this particular key for tightening the different drill bits. So this is it. This is what you'll find inside the box containing the AGARO Rotary hammer drill machine. The model number is HD5271. Thank you for watching.